whatever number of solar systems you require, I'll give. I would want this entire area to be fully on renewable energy.
Umentri rangba kajela ukwanrat ki sangma haka arokra tarik uyayong ulalet pet yakajaka badang shushna thammai nakabenta ban Khring ki Nongjngoh-Kai Pyrthei hadaribong hakitarai jong ulum Nokrek hagaro hills. Kani kajaka pen itanat badan hadaribong bat kajing rung kasurong no ora gitong shadaribong kalalam shakajing kiyo hakajing wan ki Nongjngoh-Kai Pyrthei. Kani kala lamru shakajing kiyo kinong wan kai ki brio banabari habayadei bat kakam khayi pateng. Habayadei bakajing kiyo kinong wan kai banabar hai ki jaka balong kham karpang jong kabenta ka Nokrek. Umentri rangba kajela ulabat ha ikitanat badai khmi bantrei ringkat bat ban penmi ki kendon khanang bat pitikana bakani ka jaka kan lan na ki Jingshna panjaklia ki plastik bat ki jingbun brio palat put. Shushu ula jurep ru ya kacing pentere jong ka Jingshna jong ki yeng dieng na kabentai ki Nongjngoh-Kai hadaribong hakaba ula ong ba ki jing penbiang bathammai na benta ka jaka Nongjngoh-Kai kan long ka jing mentoy ye ki Nongjngoh-Kai Pyrthei ki banwan hagaro hills.
This is how a Garo house should look like.
So both wings are open here.
East Garo and 5 from South Garo.
Oh, these are the cottages, no? We have come to Daripok to see the work that is going on for the eco-tourism project that was started a few years back out here, which included the construction of roads to this location and have a viewing deck and also have accommodation like dormitory and camping site, as well as some cottages. And the idea really is to promote sustainable and ecotourism in this location, because we are quite hopeful that this area, once we bring in different forms of livelihood, that we will be able to then ensure that people are not economically dependent on the forest resources, which will then ultimately lead to protection of the forest resources and the forest as a whole. As you know, this is also the Nokrek bioreserve area, and hence it is the aim and objective of this government to ensure that we protect our